Dang, yo, this snow just will not stop, man. We don't get this too much up here in the Northwest. I mean, it does snow, but it's rare that we ever get it over an extended period of time. Mainly in the mountains, but not down in the city limits. But yeah, I guess we got that storm. So another one's coming again. After I just shoveled the driveway and everything, here it comes again. But anyways, just wanted to show y'all a quick pickup I got. Another Craigslist find. Guy got this off a 70 Chevelle. Got it worked and everything. Took it to the driveline shop. Got all new U-joints and everything. And got it spec'd and balanced and all that. And ended up not fitting on his car. I think he was gonna put it on a Cutlass, like a 70 something Cutlass, and the setup that he had was just ended up being like an inch or two too short. He didn't modify the shaft itself, only got it new U-joints and got it balanced and everything. However, this one, it comes out to about 54.5 inches, and I believe, if I'm correct, that's the stock length for a 71 Chevelle. So turbo 400, what's that thing called, slip yoke. And I'm actually running a turbo 400, so I don't think I've mentioned that yet, but I was going to get into that later. I'm running a turbo 400 on my setup, and when I get to the engine build and installation, I'll talk a little bit more about that and what route I'm going. But yeah, 125 bucks, y'all. Serviced everything, new U-joints and all, so I mean, I think he paid about that. So anyways, new pickup, that's what I got. Enjoy, y'all, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit.